Here's the Tokyo Marui MK23 SOCOM. We're going to do 10 rounds loaded and then 10 rounds with suppressor. And now we have the suppressor for final shooting test. Gun shoots about like 280 FPS with 20s. And we're out. Here's Jeff shooting the second shooting test done, and he looks really excited because he's liked this gun forever. And remember, this is the Tokyo Marui SOCOM HK MK23, and these are rare now because KWA and Umarex did away with all the fun. So what do you think?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's Tokyo Marui. It's Snake's gun.
Metal Gear fan?
Yeah.
You can't tell.
Yeah. I'm actually I'm a little nervous because it's something I never really thought I'd ever see or hold or even get to fire. So yeah.
And the silencer does silence it too.
Yeah, as you can tell from the previous shooting test, which is amazing too. Beautiful gun.
I'm gonna try to fire it without all that crap on.
All right,
let's try it. When you buy the Tokyo Marui, you get this suppressor with government markings. You get these standard 20s from Tokyo Marui. Here's the lamp, which is a laser and a flashlight. You can change out the bulb and put an LED. I don't know what's up with this one, but upon further inspection, it runs on 3 AAA batteries, not CR123s. This is a screw used to screw into the what's called right here, the trigger guard, which has a hole. There are full HK markings on this. This is non-blowback, by the way, which helps really well. So when you get the gun, you get that, you get this. And not only do you get the gun with the lamp and the suppressor, but there's your instruction manual, and it's not been opened. And when you get the case too, it says SOCOM right there. MK23, it's upside down, but use your imagination. Now it's time to fire this gun without suppressor and the lamp. And this gun fires like around 280 FPS with 20s. I know some of you guys are like, go in depth, take it apart. Well, gun works fine, non-blowback. So when you cock the gun, it still works. Racks around it and bam. So right now we're going to shoot this with 20s using green gas instead of top red gas. Red gas you probably get 320 FPS to 350 depending on weather. But right now it's like 80 degrees. It's hot as hell in California. And yeah, let's fire this sucker up without all the accessories. HKM23, a little shaky right now because this is quite a piece to fire from Tokyo Marui, which I have don't see these anymore. So KWA's got the next best thing, blowback, but I think blowback's not that great. Firing test without accessories. Starting now. What the? And that is it. Upon further inspection, the suppressor is taken apart. It has these 3 foam fillet pads. And now the suppressor is hollow. We're going to do a firing test with 10 rounds without the pads. And see if it actually makes it a bit louder. But it actually muffles the sound. These pads absorb the sound. Firing the MK23 SOCOM without the fillet pads on the inside, so the suppressor is hollow. Firing 15 rounds. Wow. I'm a little off, but still. It's a little muffled, but it's a little louder thump.